Welcome back to my channel, YouTube. Today we eat some good stuff. This is a shrimp oyster dip. It's a cross between Oysters Rockefeller and Oysters Bienville. Let's get started right here. This is going to be great for the holidays. I'm going to leave this screen up for a few minutes with all the listed ingredients so you can get a screenshot of that, and hopefully we'll get started. A little bacon in the pan. We need to fry that down till it's crisp. It's on a medium heat. And then one whole bunch of chopped up spinach. We want to saute this down till it's wilted. Just keep stirring. It won't take that long. That's what we're looking for. Now we need to remove it from the pan. Add a little olive oil so our butter don't burn. That's right, butter. One whole stick. Melt that down. There you go. Onions, bell peppers, and some mushrooms. We want to saute this down somewhere to a shrimp scampi consistency. All the veggies get soft. Oh yeah, this is going to be good already. You can tell, huh? Especially with that garlic. That's what we're talking about. Stir it up. Don't forget a little bit of parsley for some color in there. Alright. This is going to take about 5 minutes sauteing on a medium heat. That's what we're looking for right here. Then 2 tablespoons of flour at a time. I don't want no clumps, so that's why I'm not dumping everything at once. We need 4 total. Just stir that all together. Make sure it's not no clumpy clumps in there. Just mix it all around and then add you another 2 tablespoons. If you want it thicker, this is the point. You could add 2 more tablespoons and it'll be thick, like a topping they use on Oysters Bienville. And then add the bacon and the spinach back to the pan. It's smelling good in here. We want to saute this down, mix it all together, get it creamy, and then we're going to add some shrimp stock. 5½ ounces of shrimp stock. You could add a little bit more if you want. It's just going to be a little more thinner sauce. Once you stir it, it's going to start thickening up almost immediately. And then we're going to add the oyster stock. Don't pour the last little bit out of that. You don't want no shells in your dip. Stir that down till it thickens up. Now we're going to add a little cream. It's going to get creamy at this point. Just keep stirring, keep the heat on medium-low, and that's what we're looking for. Small bubbles. Now we can add our shrimp. We're going to let this come back up to a simmer again from stirring and try to thin it out again because that shrimp's going to let out a little bit of liquid there. Time to season it up. I'm using some Tony Sachets, probably 1 tablespoon. You could use your favorite Cajun seasoning or any seasoning for that matter. A little cayenne, that'll help too. Just stir it in. Then I'm going to spice it up a little bit more with some hot sauce. This is from a friend of mine in South Carolina, Warrant Man Hot Sauce Company. I'm using aggravated assault. It's got really good flavor. You just want to stir that in and get everything mixed up good. So when it's all cooked down, you can see how it's coming right off the pan. Thick, nice and gooey. There's no cheese in this yet. Can you believe that? And you like them big chunks in there. Scoop up on that French bread. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Kill the heat on that, and we'll start adding the cheese. Some grated Parmesan. We're going to add this, stir it in. I'm going to add the cheese, mix it all together. And then to make it creamy and stringy cheese, we're going to add some mozzarella and provolone. That's going to kick it up a little notch right there. Alright, we're going to let that cool. I bought some sliced French bread. I'm going to cut these into some little wedges. You can serve them whole if you want. a whole piece of French bread, crackers. Butter up one side, throw them on a baking dish, throw them in the oven. It's already preheated to 400 degrees. While that's cooking, we're gonna oil up these stoneware dishes. I'm gonna try to make it easy to clean the pan when it's done, but I don't know if it's gonna work, but let's try. Alright, by the time you're done with this, your bread should almost be about done. It won't take long in that 400 degree oven. We're gonna fill up this pan right here, halfway, then spoon out those oysters. Divide them up however you want. You can load the whole thing up with oysters if you love oysters. You can actually do some shrimp in here too, or even crab meat, lobster, little breadcrumb, little cheese. Put the rest of the filling on there. Add a little bit more cheese on that, and of course sprinkle a little more breadcrumbs. Try to get a little crust on the top. They go in the oven, 400 degrees for 20 minutes, under the broiler for 10. And here's what we have. Oh, does this smell good? And we need a little bit more cheese because, you know, too much cheese is never enough. Serve it however you like. That looks beautiful. Tasted awesome. Grab one of them big oysters on there. Louisiana oysters. Look at that gooey cheese dripping down. You really need to try this. Your friends and family will love this for the holidays. And don't forget, hit that red button, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want me to cook next.